So hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to understand how to connect WhatsApp and other Meta apps in N8n. We'll start by adding a trigger node of WhatsApp, and this is a WhatsApp trigger node. If a message comes, this will be triggered. So for that we have to make a new credential. Type business.facebook.com and just click enter. After that, what you have to do is, and this is very important, if you don't have a Meta account already, please log in with your Facebook. Do not log in with your Instagram. I'll tell you, there is a reason for it. I've worked with Meta Business Suite for a long time, and I think this sequence is the best and gives the most stable Meta account, or else you'll run into a lot of problems. So first you have to sign up with your Facebook account like I told you. Then it'll ask you to create a Facebook page or connect an existing page. Then after that, and only after that, please connect your Instagram account. This will help you make a really stable Meta account. So after all that, you must have a Meta account like this. You have to go to settings. You have to click on apps. Now you just have to add a new app. Create a new app. I'm going to name this app as N8n. Then go to others and click on other. Choose for business and just create the app. Now when you create the app, you will be taken to this interface. And what you have to do is you can set up any of the Meta apps, but we'll be setting up WhatsApp now. So click setup here and click on start using the API, and you can generate an access token, copy it and go back to your N8n. You can't put your access token in your WhatsApp trigger. You have to open another node like send message, and there you can put your access token after creating a credential. So this is the test number from which it will send the message. Add a new phone number. I'm going to add my own number so I get the message. I'll try sending the message now. So as you can see, the API is working. I got a test message. You also have to copy your business account ID from here. Go back to N8n and paste it here, and then click on save. As you have figured the send message, now let's also figure the WhatsApp trigger. Go to the new credential. And now there is client ID and client secret. You'll have to go to app settings and basics. And here you'll have an app ID. Just have to copy it, come back and paste it here. And for app secret, you can copy it, come back and paste it here. So you're good to go. After this, you must be able to receive messages. So we can select the phone number here. As you can see, this is a test number and recipient's phone number. You'll also have to add your country code. So I'll add my country code also, then execute this step again. That was the whole setup of WhatsApp. And if you want to set up other Meta apps, it's a similar process. You just have to add the access token and the other things which I just showed you, and you'll be able to use that too. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.